Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Ready to learn how to create awesome typography t-shirt designs in Canva? First, click Create, then type t-shirt in the search bar. Next, browse the available templates and select the one that fits your design needs to start customizing your t-shirt project quickly and easily. First, select this template. Next, click See All to browse more options. This lets you explore all available templates and choose one that fits your project needs perfectly. Use the template to get started quickly and efficiently. Type the geography and choose the appropriate sign. Next, select from the available design options to customize your display. These designs enhance visual appeal and clarity. Ensure you review each design carefully to find the one that best fits your content's purpose and style before finalizing your choice. Upload your custom t-shirt design. Let's explore how to modify a sign using elements. First, click on Elements, then select Recommended. Browse through the suggested items to find one that fits your design. For example, choose the coffee cup graphic labeled Coffee Bay. Click to add it to your sign. You can reposition and resize this element as needed. Next, try adding another related item from the Elements tab to enhance the design. Experiment with different graphics until you're satisfied with the look. This method allows you to customize your sign with creative, relevant visuals quickly and easily, enhancing its appeal and effectiveness. Click the Minimize button on the coffee cup window to reduce its size. Then, drag the smaller window to the desired corner of your screen. This allows you to keep your coffee timer visible while working on other tasks without taking up too much space. Design the layout, then add this element to the text. Adjust the color to be slightly darker for better contrast. This enhances readability and visual appeal. Experiment with different shades until you find the right balance. Applying subtle changes can improve the overall design and make the text stand out effectively. Click the Share button, then select Download. For the best print quality, choose PDF Print as the format. After selecting PDF Print, click Download to save the file. This ensures your document is optimized for printing and ready to use. Follow these steps to easily print your file. Now you know how to create awesome typography t-shirt designs in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.